everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I am back with another look. For today's look, I'm giving y'all this very easy and simple summertime look. It is very pretty. I really love this look. This is my second time doing it, so I gotta love it. But anyway, so yeah, if you like this look, you want to see how to get it, continue to watch. But first I want to say, if you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do that as well. If you want to see how to get this look, continue to watch, and I'm going to get right into the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and drop straight into the eye look. I'm going to be going into my Morphe 3502 palette. And the first color I'm going to take, I'm going to get a blending brush, and I'm going to take this dark brown right here and place this in my crease and basically all over my lid. So this was a look I already did the other day. I just didn't record it. I honestly didn't expect it to come out so cute, so I just said I had to come back and record it, y'all. So now that I got this packed on my lid kind of good, I'm gonna go ahead and start buffing it out. So I was really excited to record this look today because, as y'all can see, I can zoom in now. Like, I didn't know how to do it at first, but now I finally know how to do it. And I'm so excited because now y'all can like really see the details that's going on with my eyes. And then my sister, she always comments, she like, well, you need to move closer. And I'm like, it's no closer. Like, you don't get no closer than this. Like, I'm sorry, but this is it. This is as good as it gets. But now I can finally do it, y'all. I'm excited. So I'm moving on to cut my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Milani Perfect Conceal+Foundation to cut my crease. So I'm gonna take that color that we used and I'm gonna bring it to meet the concealer. So I'm gonna take a flat brush and go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna take this bright yellow that's in the middle, and this is gonna be the first color I place. If you have a fluffy brush, that'll work better than a flat brush because a flat brush is like hard to place down. So yeah, fluffy brush will work better than a flat brush. But all my fluffy brushes are dirty. So next I'm gonna take a fluffy flat brush. I'm gonna go, I think I used this pink. I'm gonna use this pink right here. See how the fluffy brush just did it so much easier than a flat brush? When I decide to record it, it don't want to act right. So I'm gonna go off camera, finish my makeup, and I will be back to finish the eyes. Okay y'all, so I am back to finish the eyes. For the under eye, it's gonna be simple. I'm just gonna put that first color that we used on my lower lash line, and that's it. For highlight, I'm gonna go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and take this pigment to the bottom left. And pop it on my inner corner. And I will be back with the finished look. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look. Like I said, I really like this look. It's very pretty, it's very easy, it's a nice summertime look, y'all. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm gonna need y'all to peep them lower lashes. I know how to do it. Y'all, my dumb self, when I used to do it, I used to have it flipped like the regular way instead of outwards way. And I was always wondering, I'm like, how come my lashes don't look like everybody else? That's why. But I finally realized I gotta flip it the other way. But yeah, I did it, y'all, and I'm excited. It's so cute. Yes. Okay, anyways. So like I said, yes, I really like this look. I really enjoyed making this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video as well. If you did, please do not forget to give this video the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video.